What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today I'm going to be making a delicious stir fry. I'm using a Gardein product. It's called Porkless Bites, and also a General Tso's sauce from Aldi's. It's going to be really delicious and simple to make, so let's get right to work. Alright, so this is what we're using today for ingredients. I got some Napa cabbage that I cut into about 1/2-inch strips. You could use regular cabbage or any other veg that you like. Kale would also work. I'm using about 3 carrots that I cut into slices. About 1/2 a red onion. 3 tablespoons of vegetable broth. About 3 cups of sliced portobello mushrooms. About 3 cups of broccoli florets, and I cut these into smaller pieces. About 1-inch pieces of bite size. I have the General Tso's, I think it's General Tso's sauce, and this is from Aldi, so I'm going to be using this. And the Gardein sweet and sour Porkless Bites, the whole package. I have 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, about probably 3 cloves. And I have about 3 tablespoons of sliced scallions. Alright, so we're going to start the wok on medium, 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to add some of the veg broth. And we're going to heat that up for about 2 minutes. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and throw in the garlic. Alright, so after the garlic, I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir. I want that to infuse that veggie broth with all that flavor. Now we're going to add the carrots and the onions. The carrots are like our hardest ingredient, so we're going to cook that for a few minutes before we add anything else, just so they get soft. Alright, so the next veggies I'm adding is the mushrooms. And we're going to stir those a little bit. We're going to also add in the cabbage. This is going to cook down, and then we'll add the broccoli and the Porkless Bites and the sauce at the end. So after opening this, we found a little surprise that it comes with a sauce packet. So we're not going to use that sauce from Aldi's. That way we can review this without adding any extra things in it besides the veggies. So we're going to use the sauce packet that came with it, and let's see how it tastes. I'm going to go ahead and throw the broccoli into the stir fry now. And a lot of water has come out of the veggies, so I turn up the heat to high just to evaporate some of that water out. We'll give it about 3 or 4 minutes. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and add the pork bites already. Let's toss these in. So now, they're stirred in. It's on high heat. We're going to give it a couple of minutes to dry up a little bit, and we're going to add in the sauce. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add in this sauce. And at this point, I'm going to turn it down a little bit to like 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to add this sauce. I think it's a hot and sour sauce. So I'm mixing that in. Wow, it smells amazing. Alright, so now we're going to serve this like 3 or 4 minutes over white rice. Alright, so the stir fry is done. It's gotten nice and cooked. The sauce is thickened up. It's looking beautiful. It smells amazing in here. I'm going to go ahead and serve this over a bed of white rice. And this is basmati. I always have white rice in the rice cooker. So that's basically the recipe. Now I'm gonna drop a little bit of scallions over the top for aesthetics and also for taste. So there is my stir fry using the Gardein Porklesss Bites package with my own veggie mixture. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this Gardein product with these veggies. I'm gonna get the best spoon I can get. Wow. The sauce is really good. Overall, the texture of the veggies is perfect. The pork bites is nice, it's soft. Really, really good. You can definitely tell it's not pork, but it's really soft. It's nice, it's got a decent bite, decent flavor. Not too weedy or anything. It doesn't taste like soy. I think they did a good job with the sauce. Really delicious. I would definitely recommend trying it.